Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to save my zucchini because I have no time to cook. So, one of my friends told me that to save your zucchini, you just need to grate it and keep it in the freezer so that when you are ready, you can have or you can use it. So I'm doing my grating. Just do it this way. Actually, if you can notice, the zucchini is already been kind of over because I just have no time. So I decided to take my time today so that I can put this into the freezer, and then when I have time, I could make zucchini muffin or zucchini bread or any kind of zucchini. So this is just my idea. And then after I grate everything, I'll measure the zucchini like 1 cup, 2 cups, so that it's ready to bake. So when it's ready, you just need to get this zucchini, the frozen one, and mix with eggs and some flour, and then ready to do it. I got two huge one because in the garden I have so much zucchini this year. So these are the two remaining. So I don't want to use, I didn't want this be wasted. So I'm trying to save there. So, guys, you just need to be careful not to grate your own hand or your own fingers. It happened to me many times, but I'm good. I'm used to it. But I hate if it happens. There. And then all I need to do is to measure this one in either 1 cup, 2 cups, so that it's ready. Like if I have time. Or when I have time to do that. So I have plastic here. I'll just measure this one. I already washed my hand. Okay, I'll measure I will make 2 cups because you need to put into the freezer, right? There. Just roughly. Here you go. That's 2 cups. I'll stick to 2 cups each. Because usually they kind of do 2 cups. But if I have 1 cup remaining, then that's good. Two. think this is just basically 1 cup. Okay. So this is 1 cup. The rest are 2 cups. But it looks like this one is so big. Sorry guys for my measurement because it's just rough. But you know, you have idea, right? Guys, just comment down below if what's your suggestion, what you could say, or what do you do with your own zucchini. I love making zucchini bread. I did that few times. So still get to do that. Yay, there you go. So it's time for me to put into the freezer. Then I'll take it from the freezer whenever I need it. I'll put it here. See, it's already kind of ready. If it hardens or frozen, then it doesn't matter because it's already measured, right? So that's it. So guys, that's how I did my zucchini. For more information or any question, just comment down below. Thank you.